What is up, everybody? Monster Jam Fanatic here, back again with another Monster Jam video, and today I'm doing something special. As you guys know, it is December 23rd, Christmas Eve, and I wanted to bring you guys a special Monster Jam video that I've never done before. So today I'm doing a team matchup. We are doing red monster trucks versus green monster trucks 4-on-4 in Monster Jam Steel Titans 2. We will be taking and competing them in 3 different events. We will be doing qualifying because you can't do head-to-head racing in Steel Titans. So we're going to be doing qualifying. We're going to be doing 2-wheel skill, and then we will end it off in freestyle. Now this is point based. The point system is kind of simple to understand. So here is a picture of how our point systems are gonna work. So 4-on-4, so there are 8 trucks. The first place will get 100 points, second will get 90, third 80. After if you get below the top 3, fourth place you will get 50, and then the bar goes down. You know, the lower place that you get, the lower rank, the less amount of points you'll get, and it goes by 10, as you can see. So you get the point. Pretty simple to understand. Last off, let's take a look at our competitors. For Team Red, we're starting it off with Zombie, and then we're going to Dragonoid, Octonator, and then Northern Nightmare. Those are your 4 Team Red competitors. For Team Green, we have Gravedigger, of course, and we cannot have Gravedigger without Avenger if we're doing a green team here. We have Dragon for the third, and for the final one, we have Gas Monkey Garage. Very solid team for both sides. We're gonna start it off with qualifying. I only be talking between competitions, and we will be going over the points, and we will keep track. I guess this is the best 2 out of 3. Let's see who will win. Tell me who you got in the comments below before the events start. If you got red team or green team, tell me, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy. Well, that was a very intense round of qualifying. Coming in first, fastest qualifier is Avenger at 18.27, and even better for green team. Number 2, second place is also green team, and number 3. So the top 3 were all green team. Northern Nightmare was first for the red team, but came in 4th overall. Dragonoid was 5th, and Gravedigger was the lowest ranked green team, coming in at 6th place. Zombie and Octonair on Team Red came in 7th and 8th. So overall, green team got 310 points, red team got 110 points. So for the first competition, green team wiped away the competition by 200 points. So now let's get on to two-wheel skills. There were definitely some crazy stunts in this two-wheel skill. Coming in at number 1 first place is Dragonoid. Finally for Team Red, they got first place, and then Dragon is second on Team Green, but Octonator was third. So that means the top 2 out of the 3 were Team Red. So overall, Red team got 230 points, Green team 190. So you know what that means, guys. That is 1-on-1. So Freestyle, the final competition, will be the best 2 out of 3, the tiebreaker to see which team is overall better. Let's get on with Freestyle. And here's what you guys have been waiting for. Here is the leaderboard for Freestyle. Number 1 was Dragon, first place. Number 2 was Gas Monkey. Green team did win. Dragonoid and Octonator were 3rd and 4th though, but 1st and 2nd is Green team, and that's really important if you want to win. If the same team gets 1st and 2nd place, that basically is an automatic W. 5th place was Avenger, so another Green team. Northern Nightmare was 6th, Zombie was 7th, Gravedigger came in dead last, was not expecting that, with a 10. That is crazy. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's 4 a.m. on the it's technically the current day, so I've been editing this video all night. It's taken a while, so if you wouldn't mind dropping a like and subscribing, that I would very much appreciate that. Tell me what you guys think about these kind of videos. I mean, they are definitely a lot of work, but if it's something that you guys really like to see, if you like it, then I'll do it more often. So tell me what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a Merry Christmas. Peace out.